guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something to share with you that is literally going to make your life so much easier when you have to mail a quilt. If you are brand new to quilting and you are just making quilts for yourself, this tip may not apply to you, but I guarantee it will at some point, okay? If you are making quilts and you're mailing them to family, or perhaps you're even mailing them to a long armer, you have been a part of this moment right here. Do you trust the shipping companies with your precious quilts? And how much do you trust your shipping company? That's a hard thing for me to answer, okay? Because yeah, sometimes things happen in the mail and it would be an absolute tragedy if it happened with your quilt. But I'm gonna share with you a trick today that is going to make things from here on out so much easier, okay? And you're gonna be blown away. But if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android, there are ways that you can track your electronics, right? There are ways that you can say, find my iPhone, find my phone, find my computer, find my stuff. There are products out there that make it easy to track other things. There are Apple AirTags. There are products that go for the Android devices too, like this tile right here that I have on the screen. They're not that expensive to purchase, okay? It is an investment, but your quilt is an investment. Most of the USPS, UPS, all of that, they have tracking services, but they require somebody to scan that barcode in order to know where your package is. When you have a tracking device inside the package, it makes it really, really easy to see exactly where it is. But with the tracking device in there, even if, you know, you've had this happen to you too, where your package is nowhere to be seen for a few days and suddenly it ends up in Wyoming because it got on the wrong truck. I don't know how that happens, but it's happened to me before. But I can see where my package is directly and know that my quilt is safe. I know that my quilt has made it to the final destination, right? Because of that tracking device. With the higher value quilts that have come to me, I have suggested add one of those little tracking tags in there, just put it in a bag that is easily found, and then I will return that tracking device with your quilt when I ship your finished quilt back, right? That way you know where it is every single step of the way. This also works if you are shipping a quilt to a friend. Send that tracking device with it, and then if you want, you can put like a paid for envelope in there or something to send the tracking device back to you. It is an extra added layer of protection when you're sending your quilt somewhere that I'm all about ease and like making it not harder than it has to be. Truthfully, that's something that I really struggle with and I am trying to get better at, but that is my goal, is to make things easier. Find out ways to make things where I don't have to stress as much, because the tracking abilities of the computer and seeing where your package is and all of that is great until what? The package gets lost. And then you don't know where it is. And you're just waiting for that package to show up somewhere online to get scanned somewhere on its route, right? With the tracking devices, you'll be able to see exactly where your quilt is at any time. And this works for any package that you're sending. I'll tell you an example of when I really wish this had been such a thing back then. I had a quilt that I had entered into a show and it was accepted. It was a cherry wood challenge competition piece and it was accepted. They take all of the ones that are accepted into the showing and they tour with them, right? So this quilt, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, this quilt traveled more than I have ever traveled in my life. I would have loved to have had this idea at the time to take one of these little tracking devices and sew it into the label on the back of the quilt. So this is a finished quilt, right? To have that tracking device sewn into the back label of the quilt so that it is protected. I don't have to worry about the two being separated and I can know where my quilt is at all times. And that's really what this all boils down to, is peace of mind. So if you're sending your quilt and you are not 100% in full faith with the shipping industry and taking care of your precious bundle, whatever you're sending, add one of those tile trackers in there. add one of those Apple AirTags in there. They are a low cost investment up front. And by the way, you can totally get packages of these and bundles of these when it comes to Black Friday sales, Prime Day sales, I don't know, Cyber Monday sales, whatever weird commercial holiday they want to invent to have a sale. Look for these items on those days and have them kind of in your arsenal of ways to make life easier. That's kind of how I look at it. It's ways to make life easier. That way you can track it on your device, on your phone. I put links down in the description boxes down below to the most popular and the most easiest items to have. There are some off-brand ones if you want to go that way and kind of pinch a little bit of your pennies and save your stuff. But I have put links to the ones that are most popular down below in the description box. My family has found all kinds of different ways to use these. We have lots of devices in our house that are not connected to the internet, but still find their way somehow into the deepest couch cushions possible that make it impossible to find if we didn't have this tracker attached to it. So I hope that you found that tip as amazingly helpful as I did, just to reduce that level of stress when you do have to trust your quilt to the shipping services and mailing it somewhere else where you're putting your very precious, beautiful, and very valuable quilt into somebody else's hands. If you ever want to know the true value of your quilt, I do have a free download on that. It is a very simple way to calculate the value of your quilt. You know, you also have time, you have labor, you have skills, you have knowledge that goes into your quilt as well. So this is a good educational tool. I'm gonna put the link down below for you to download that. Knowledge is power. It's good. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. I'll be back next week sharing more tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter. If that is something that you are interested in, please, please, please click that subscribe button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It helps me out. It helps YouTube know that what I am producing is helpful to you, that it's educational, and it helps encourage me to produce more content like the one that you just watched with very helpful tips that can literally save a quilt. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.